Now we'll look at the pivot table analysis tab. So I went ahead and entered just some fake data here so we can play around with the numbers and the table and see how it changes. So let's see, the table as it is pulling from old data. Anytime you enter new data into the spreadsheet, if you want to see the changes show up on this tab, then you have to right click over the pivot table and click refresh. It's a bit annoying, but that's just how Excel has done that. It's not an automatic refresh. So we want to know the poverty rates of different genders. So I'm going to pull in the $1.25 a day line. That's going to be our value. And then we're going to use gender for our rows. And we could also look at variations among branches. We'll just keep it simple and look at the difference between females and males. So here we have the sum automatically. So what we have to do is go to value field settings and change this to an average. So this is going to average all of the poverty likelihoods. And here we can give it a new header, which is the $1.25 day poverty rate. So when we do that, we see that the poverty rate for females is 12.6% and the poverty rate for males is 1.4%. We also have a chart here. So there's a lot that you can do with this. You could, let's see, filter. Let's see, this right here is a report filter. And for whatever reason, we might say that we don't want to see 1, 2, or 3. So now we're just looking at the data for 4 through 9. There are a lot of tutorials out there on using the pivot table. There's a lot that you can do with it. It's really beyond the scope of this video here, but I hope that you feel somewhat comfortable using the tab to come up with the poverty rates.